So, ang first na process is ng mga callers or ng calling yung tawag. Kung for example, callers na is makita sa information related sa insert ng topic. So, kamangon yun na lang ng mga pwede yung kamangon. Tawag na ang caller. What is the first process? Number 2 naman, indexing. Like sa index, di ba? Index store. Please, natin is information order. Ang obra naman sa index. Obra naman alam mo yun, simple terms, kung ba na nakdo, ang crawling is to find content. First class. The simple terms is to store content. And then, those are simple words. Key processes of search engines. Natindihan? Sure? Sir, Indian? Bring aside. Okay lang? Okay lang. Okay, next naman is, what are the basic search techniques? So, alam mo mga technique para dahil mga basa information online. Muli naman mas kung sino to search. Number 1 is use keywords. So, keywords use specific words related to the information you're looking for. So the more precise your keywords, the better your search results will be. So the more na mas baga nag-search ka, the more na na-explain mo may lang ayaw mo, the more na kaganya sa mas naging information. Like for example din, searching for best laptop for students will yield more focused results than just laptops. Itong laptops lang i-outlook mo, i-search sa internet or sa search engine, simple i-outlook niya sa mga laptop lang. Ano laptop, schedule ng laptop, ano yung ng laptop. Yet, kung i-search mo sa mga best laptops for students, simple yan nakalasin mo yung mga best laptop about sa students. So, be specific mag-search online. Ano lang ito natin? So, example, history of war. So, isang war data. Simple yan sa imo is war na mga description, di ba? So, more descriptive ka, what is World War II? Simple yan sa imo is World War II mga topic. So, be specific sa keywords. Natindihan? Napalaw nyo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next is use the Boolean operators or the conditional operators. So, first na operator sa tawag ng AND operator. So, often use AND to find results that include all the specified terms. Like for example, let's search sa internet. Let's search mo technology and education. So, it will find pages that include both terms. So, ang i-search mo na technology and education, simple ang output niya is technology and education. So, history and technology. So, simple ang project, history and technology. So, i-search mo bilang technology education.